In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create checklists in Glide. Let's get started by heading to Glide. Open your preferred browser and go to the Glide homepage. Glide is a no-code platform that lets you build powerful apps quickly, and checklists are a simple way to help your users track tasks, steps, or progress right inside your app. Next, sign into your account. Use your usual login method and wait for your dashboard to load. From here, you'll see your existing apps and projects. Find and open the project you want to edit. This takes you into the Builder, where you can see your app layout, data, and a live preview of how everything looks on different devices. Now, look to the left sidebar inside the Builder. You'll see a Components section that controls what appears on your screen. Click the Add icon in Components, the small plus button. This opens the component library, which is where you'll find all the building blocks you can drop into your app. In the component library, click Checklists. Glide will add a checklist component to your current screen. You'll notice it appear in the preview immediately. This component is perfect for to-dos, onboarding steps, packing lists, or any set of items your users need to mark as done. With the checklist on the screen, it's time to add your data. In the Properties panel, connect the checklist to the data you want to display. Choose the table or collection that contains your items, then map the fields, such as the item name, any helpful description, and the toggle or boolean that tracks whether an item is completed. If you don't have items yet, you can type them directly into your data editor, and they'll show up instantly in the checklist. As you make changes, watch the live preview on the right to ensure the labels, order, and completion behavior look exactly how you want. Keep item names short and clear so they're easy to scan on mobile, and add optional details for tips or instructions that help users finish each task confidently. When you're happy with the checklist and data, head to the top right corner of the Builder and click Publish. This makes your changes live, so your users can start interacting with the checklist right away. If you need to tweak anything later, just return to the Builder, adjust your component or data, and publish again. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.